In 1983,
A man walked into a public library in Stockholm and asked to use a typewriter. He typed for nearly 2 hours, pausing often, as if choosing his words carefully. When he finished, he left the pages behind. The document listed names, dates, and locations written like a schedule. Some lines were crossed out, others were marked complete. Library staff tried to locate him, but he was already gone. Security cameras were limited. No clear image, no identification. No one ever returned to claim the pages. Investigators couldn't determine what the list was for, who the names belonged to, or why it was abandoned in a public place. The man was never identified. The meaning of the document was never confirmed. A stranger, a forgotten list, and a purpose no one could explain.